Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So there are some new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So today in this video, we will check out those updates. So to update them, you just have to simply go into your settings, and after going into your setting, you have to scroll down and select about phone. After selecting about phone, you will have to select software information, and from here you will have to select Google Play System Update. So as the Google Play System update is on the 1st October 2024, so there is a new update available of the 1st November. The update might have been downloaded in the background, you just have to simply restart it. If the update is already downloaded or if the update is not downloaded, you will have to first download that update. Then you have to click on restart now and the installation process will begin. This installation process might take a while, so make sure to update your device when your device is completely free. And after updating it, you will get to see that there is another update available of 1.2 MBs. This is also a Google Play System update with the latest security update from the Google to keep your device safe and improve the stability. You just have to simply first of all download this update, and then you have to install this update by simply tapping on restart now. And after tapping on restart now, your device will restart and it will begin the installation process. This installation process might take a while, so you will have to wait patiently over here. And finally, both the updates are installed successfully. As you can see now, if I will check for the new updates, it will say that your device is up to date with the latest Google Play System update of 1st November 2024. So this was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 that you guys might be missing out. Also, do let me know in the comment section that have you received this update on your devices or not yet. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.